The lawyers at Disney are now plotting out their next move a day after a judge tossed out the company's lawsuit against the governor.
WESH 2's Bob Hazen reports that likely means an appeal, and that process will take months.
Disney has lost this round, but has signaled it's willing to take it to the next level and possibly beyond to get things back to the way they used to be in Reedy Creek.
It'll be months, not weeks.
WESH 2 legal analyst David Haas says the first step for Disney is to map out its strategy for appealing yesterday's ruling. Disney sued Governor Ron DeSantis soon after his people took over the renamed Central Florida Tourism Oversight District, or CFTOD as they call it, ending Disney's control over its government. The company claiming that act was retaliation for Disney's CEO criticizing the governor and state lawmakers. But Orlando-born Judge Alan Windsor, who was appointed by former President Trump, tossed out the lawsuit. An appeal would go to the 11th Circuit Court of Appeal based in Atlanta, and there it won't be just one judge making the decision.
So there would be 3 judges that would hear the appeal, and then you have what's called an en banc, or a hearing that could be requested in front of all the judges of the 11th Circuit.
The 11th Circuit is considered a fairly conservative court with half of its active judges appointed by Trump, but the 3-judge panel is chosen at random. Judge Windsor dismissed Disney's case, citing previous case rulings that courts should not look at the motivations for why a law was passed as long as it would be otherwise constitutional. He also found Disney didn't have legal standing because it couldn't show how it's been harmed by the governor's actions. Haas says that will likely be Disney's target in the appeal.
That is sort of a threshold issue for whether or not somebody can go forward with a claim, is if there's no injury, if they don't have standing, then there is no lawsuit.
At Disney, Bob Hazen, WESH 2 News.